For as long as you are accepting rent, what you are doing is exchanging your ownership rights and accepting the rent from the tenant. The tenant is in fact paying you for the right to exercise the status of an owner over the premises which are being rented. So that there's a temporary relinquishing of your ownership rights once you have the tenant's money in your hand. The whole concept of there being a legal estate now being vested in a tenant who is paying rent is based on something which in law is described as exclusive possession. It means that the tenant, having paid his rent and observed any other obligations which you would have imposed on him by way of the rental agreement, now has the right to determine who has access to this property. And the law recognizes the tenant as being able to exclude all the world, including the landlord himself. Once the rental arrangement is in place, the rent has been established, and the tenant has been let into possession of those rental premises. That is the position as far as the law is concerned. The Hugh Wooding Law School, which is located on Gordon Street in St. Augustine, also hosts a legal aid clinic where persons who are unable to afford legal representation in all matters. We do charge a nominal fee, depending on your ability to pay, but the fees are nowhere, we don't operate for profit. It's a teaching clinic, and the students man the clinic under the guidance of tutors who are attorneys as well. So ma'am and anyone else who has issues like that need to be addressed can feel free to visit the Hugh Wooding Law School Clinic, Gordon Street in St. Augustine.